iQuanta is launching its last batch for CAT 25.
One of the major concerns for students will be, can I crack CAT now with 99 plus percentile? Of course you can. If you just put in 1% extra effort every day over the next 150 days, you'd be doing 4 times more work than someone who joined in the month of January. Similarly, if you put 1% less effort, you'll be doing only 0.22 of total work. So that's the power of consistency, be that 1% guy. The second concern is, will I be able to finish CAT syllabus if I start right now? iQuanta involves dual pedagogy in which 70% classes are application and 30% are conceptual. This whole will be covered in 4 months, and we keep last 2 months reserved for rigorous practice via CAT crash course. The last concern is, did students from iQuanta's last batch get 99 percentile? The answer is a resounding yes. Those who started from scratch at this time got 99 percentile and ended up at top IIMs. For results and CAT course details, visit iQuanta.in.
What, according to you, is the advantage of iQuanta? Okay, I think all of them came at the same time somehow. We'll start with you.
Flexible timing.
Instant outsource.
Peer-to-peer learning.
You can revise the classes anytime.
It's iQuanta.